Understanding rational numbers.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.
To count the number of things, we use 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are called natural numbers or counting numbers. Okay, we can do count with these numbers, but when there is nothing to count, how can we show that?
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
For that we use 0. We extend the number system by including 0 to natural numbers. The new collection of numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on is called whole numbers. With whole numbers though, we cannot differentiate between the opposite situations like distance above the sea level and distance below the sea level. To overcome this problem, we use plus and minus signs before the numbers and show the opposite situations very well. By putting plus sign, we form group of positive number, and by putting negative sign or minus sign, we form negative number. Both are opposite of each other. Just now we have extended the number system to include positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers. This new collection of numbers is called integers. Now, integers are all complete numbers. Such numbers does not allow us to show parts. So we extend the number system further by introducing fractional numbers. Fractional numbers are numbers of the form numerator upon denominator, where numerator can either be 0 or a positive integer, and the denominator can be a positive integer, but it could not be 0. With the help of fractions, we cannot express the opposite situations like 3/4 kilometer above the sea level or 3/4 kilometer below the sea level. So we need to use plus and minus signs with the fractions as well. Here, minus 3/4 is neither a fractional number nor an integer. So we further need to extend our number system for including such numbers. We do so by introducing rational numbers. The word rational comes from the term ratio.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
If two integers p and q are in ratio, then we can express them in p by q form. Any number that can be expressed in the ratio of integers p and q, that is, in p by q form, such that q cannot be 0, is called a rational number. Remember that p and q are integers means that they can be positive or negative. P can be 0, however q cannot be 0. We can also express positive integers 0 as well as negative integers in p by q form by writing 1 as their denominator. So integers are also rational numbers. Furthermore, if the sign of a rational number is negative, then such rational number is called negative rational number. And if the sign of rational number is positive, then such rational number is called positive rational number. Here are some more examples of positive rational numbers and negative rational numbers. What do you think? Are whole numbers and natural numbers are also rational numbers? Yes, we can write their denominator 1 to convert them in p by q form. So these are also rational numbers.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Now consider these rational numbers. Though they have different numerator and denominator, but their value is same. That is, they are equal. Such rational numbers are called equivalent rational numbers. For obtaining equivalent rational numbers, we can multiply or divide the numerator and denominator by same integer. Let's try to represent rational numbers on number line. It is similar to representing fractions on number line. Consider example minus 2/3. First draw the number line for integers. That is, include negative integers, 0 and positive integers on number line. Denominator is 3, so divide each unit in 3 equal parts.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
The sign of numerator is negative and value is 2. So we have to take 2 jumps from 0 towards negative side. The point where we reach after 2 jumps is the required rational number minus 2/3. So I hope you understood basics of the rational numbers very well. Thanks for watching this video.
Like, share and subscribe learnfatafat.com and press the bell icon to never miss an updates from learnfatafat.com.